Hi guys, so today I'm gonna teach you how to do your RAM first. So if you want to unpack your RAM, there is something like this near the RAM. Just push it back like that, and then just carefully lift up your RAM. Please notice, because for some RAM slots they got two sides, like both sides. Both sides they will have those plugs, but for my one it's only one side, so it's only this side, so I only need to do that side. And then just carefully remove the RAM. So now I'm gonna show you guys how to plug your RAM inside. So when you plug in, you can see here it's a small space, right space, left space is split up by this point, so you can clearly see here. So what you will do, you will find the same point on your RAM stick, and then what you want to do is just make sure it's lined up, and then just reinstall your RAM by push it through the slots. Here. First, remember to push this back, and then you got the slots open, and then you can just push it through the slots. Let me see. Yeah, and then just carefully press both sides. Yeah, you see left side is now in, and push the right side. Yeah, now it's in. So if it's in, the switch will close. So that's how you install RAM on your PC. So the next thing we're gonna look at is our hard drive. It's beneath the graphic card, under these plates. So I need first find a way to lift this graphic, take out this graphic card. So first you have to lift left side for this case, and then you see there's a plug. Let's lock the graphic card. Just press it down, press this plug down. You can't see it from this angle. Press it down, and then the graphic card is now can be plugged out. Just hold to the middle and carefully straight towards that. Yeah, and now your graphic card is out. As you can see, for this motherboard it got 4 PCIe slots. So no, it should be 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is for the wireless card. So the hard disk, they use this metal plate to make the temperature lower. So before you plug on your hard disk, if you find some motherboard similar like this, first you need to screw it off. Okay, now it's screwed off. I think you can just lift these plates. Okay, now you can't, because you see here, this plastic has blocked the metal plate under here. You can see. You see it can hold up, so I need to take out this plastic first. So under this plastic, you can see there's a fan. It's used for the motherboard to cool. It's a cooling system of the motherboard. So let me just take out the plates first. There's another one. There is another place for your PSR disk, so you can have a dual PCIe disk system, or you can add some SATA disk hard drive over the side. Yeah, maybe it's open. Carefully lift it up. plastic. So, yeah, you see there's another scroll here. So just scroll it off. Yeah, it's almost hitting on. Let me put it aside. Be careful. Let's see. Oh yeah. So there is a plate. It's for cooling. Make sure it's still stick down. Where is the screw? So as you see, this is your hard drive. So what you want to do is just scroll this off. When you plug in your hard disk, no, I just tell you straight how to plug hard disk. So you see there's plug like this. You just plug your hard disk straight through. So after that, you will see depends on your size. It could be to this side or could be shorter. Or my one is in the middle. So you have to find the other toy in the box, and you scroll this hard disk on there. And it will be stable. Okay, let me put this on the plate first. Hard drive, you see here, I had scrolled out. So you take this one scroll, yeah, and unplug it. That's it. So you see, it's really simple. That's a PCIe hard drive. It's normally be pretty fast. So when you plug in hard drive, you first find the PCIe slot. Depends on your PCIe type. You can see there is a hole there. So you have to be careful because different PCIe types, they got different holes. So for this motherboard, this is the right PCIe hard disk. So just insert it in and push it slowly straight or 30 degrees. Yeah, now it's in. As you can see here, so for my PCIe, the length is reached this point. So I need to find another slot to scroll it on. For some other PCIe, it might be there, or you can see there's still other place beneath it. So there's shorter PCIe disk. It could be here or there. So for my one is the normal one and the most common types. So the next thing you want to do is just use the scroll. It should come with your PC case. Yeah. Just scroll it on using the scroll. Okay, I had put it in. Next thing you just do is scroll down. And that's all you have to learn to install your disk drive. Next thing I'm gonna teach you guys to do is how to install your graphic cards. It's a pretty important component in the PC. Without a graphic card, your monitor will show nothing when you turn on the PC. That's why it's called graphic cards. So let's see. So when you put the graphic card, you see there's a switch. What you want to do is just plug this way, and then what you want to do is just push it, as you can see here. Push this slot into the 16 slot. As you can see, it's the same size. But just be careful, don't scratch your motherboard. Leave Stop maybe. It's pretty. Let me see what I can do here. I just give this a bit more. Give the side stick a bit more. So. Yeah. So first you want to push this side in. Then let me see. Yeah, slots is there. Yeah, then yeah, it's on it. Just push it. Okay, now it's hold on. So normally you don't want to do this on the motherboard when your motherboard is on PC, because as you can see, so there is some space between the motherboard and PC, as you can see here. So if you push too hard, you could just scratch or go through your motherboard. So you don't want to press too hard. Or you're just doing this on the flat surface, not in the cases. Next thing you're gonna do is take out the scroll. It normally comes in with your motherboard, and then just, as you can see, push it down first. Yeah, it's done now. So what you want to do is scroll this. There will be 2 scrolls, but I just did using one of this, but just scroll into these 2 holes, as you can see here. That's the place of the graphics. You have to hold it. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna talk about is those plugins. So you guys may be wondering how to plug those things. Actually, it's pretty easy. So let me do the plug card first. So you will find a power supply ports on the graphic card. So for my type is 8 pin. So you can see what I have is there is one 6 pin and one 2 pin. So what you want to do is just take them together. So there's camera. So as you can see here, just there's a slot. Just make sure it's hot. And then what you want to do is just plug this onto your graphic card. Yeah, we got here now. So there is another one. It's on the same cables. So this cable come from the power supplies. You want to plug it this way. You can see. Push it gently. Yeah. So now when it hold on,